One Longmont Way is a rarity in Swan Lake, a former model home with windows on 3 sides and a private, almost fully fenced yard. This floor plan offers tons of natural light and striking architectural details, with everything you need on one level, plus a bonus loft space. And in Swan Lake, you get the easy condo lifestyle with the space of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. The 2,070 square foot Emily model is an end unit, so each room has lots of natural light. It has tremendous curb appeal with a double car garage and double drive and an upgraded interlocked walkway leading up to the front entrance. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with ceramic flooring, wainscoting, front hall closet, and convenient access to the garage. This leads through to the open concept great room area that fits full suites of furniture, with soaring cathedral ceilings, 2 stories of east and south windows with custom window coverings, hardwood floors, a cozy gas fireplace with custom-built shelving, and a walkout to the back deck with an awning. The sunny kitchen has ample counter and cabinet space, including a pantry, pot drawers, a double sink with a window over it, under cabinet task lighting, ceramic backsplash, Corian countertops, and a very pretty breakfast area surrounded by windows. The primary bedroom fits a king-size suite and has hardwood floors, crown moldings, a walk-in closet, and a full ensuite bathroom featuring a double vanity, soaker jetted tub, and upgraded walk-in shower stall with glass doors. Moving upstairs, the open loft is the perfect family room or guest area with a full 3-piece bathroom. The basement is unfinished, perfect for storage, workshop, or your dream rec room project. Daniels only built these private, almost fully fenced yards in one phase, and this is the only model with a main floor bedroom in that phase. Perfect for pet owners, these yards offer much more privacy than your average Swan Lake home and has a gas barbecue hookup on the deck and a shade awning with remote. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.